Hey everybody, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and welcome to the official first day of fall, and welcome to another episode of Week of New Countdown to Fall. I guess we're officially in fall, but that's not the point. The point is we made it through another video. We're gonna make it through another video. Hopefully this one uploads when it's supposed to, because technically you guys didn't get a video yesterday because technology is a savage, okay? That's all I got to say. Technology is a savage. I don't know who they work for, but they a savage, okay? And they get on my nerves. I want to do the first official look for my channel of fall on the first official day of fall. I'm going to be using the ABH x Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3, which is this beautiful illustrious orange palette. So I figured, even though it does have some beautiful springy vibrant colors, it also has some beautiful fall colors. I mean, it's orange, you have the orange, the browns, the maroons, and there's some greens in there, even though the greens may be too light, so I won't use those in this look. But I definitely feel like I can do a nice ombre fall leaf changing look. And I know you guys are probably like, Jay, that's technically not new. Look here, it's new to me. Did y'all watch my haul videos? Did you watch my haul videos? If you haven't, first of all, I'm gonna leave those linked up above, so make sure to go ahead and check those out, because there are probably tons of things that you guys are like, oh, I want to see Jay use. So please go ahead and let me know what you guys want me to use. For those of you who have not seen this palette, this is what it looks like. Beautiful, big palette. It's very, very big. I always thought it was smaller when I saw other like influencers using it, but this is how big the palette is. Beautiful fall shades, as you guys can tell, as well as some beautiful summer, more colorful, vibrant, even springy shades, but today we're gonna use it for fall. I am going to start off with my Fenty Beauty Pro Amplifying Filter Eye Primer, because this is what I do. Shades don't have names, but they have numbers. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is B3. So I'm gonna take B3, which is like a fuchsia shade. Definitely darker than what I thought, but we're already here. So I gotta do it on the other eye now. That is so much darker than what I thought. And now I kind of want to turn this into a halo eye, but I feel like I've already covered up where the halos. Oh, this is about to, I don't know. I'm gonna take this shade C2, which looks like it's the shade that matches my shirt, which I almost dropped the palette. So we're just gonna put that down, and I'm gonna try C2. Yeah, I have no idea at this point what's going on. I don't know. I just don't know. So because I don't know, I'm gonna take the shade right here, E3. Where is it at? I'm gonna take E3. Yeah, sure, that works. At this point, I don't even know. Let's take this shade. I think this is the shade I want. C4, which is like this dark grape shade. Not adding anything to that brush, literally just taking it and blending that darker shade a little bit into it. This one, it doesn't look dual chrome on camera. Maybe a little bit. Like it's like gold and pink and like purple-ish. So I'm gonna take that on my finger first to see how it reacts. Definitely cute, a soft and subtle, like, and this is without something underneath it, like it's laying on top of two like pigments, so I'm not mad at it. It's super soft and subtle, just giving it just enough. Now if I wanted to, I could use my glitter glue to hype it up, but nah, I'm good. Should I go back to the shades, like the brushes that we had the other shades on? It's definitely a fall look. I don't know, like I like it, and then I'm like, it's so soft and subtle. I feel like I've been doing a lot of like in your face, boom, vibrancy. And it's just like, nah, this is chill. This is more everyday natural, which I feel like I guess it's okay because I haven't really done like a true natural look, like a true easy everyday look for everybody, but I think this one might be it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, do my base off camera, come back to the lower lash line with you guys, and then we should be good to wrap up this look. Okay, so my base is done and I'm going to quickly do my lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple, and I'm just going to do the shade that is in our outer V, which was C4, which is this one. So I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this shade, which is D2, which is similar to the one that's on our lid, but instead of having that like dual effect of like gold and pink, this one does like gold and orange, so still fits with the look. So this is the overall and final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope this look was easy enough to be recreated by anybody. You don't have to specifically use the ABH X Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. That is a mouthful, good Lord. But at least the colors can pretty much be found in any eyeshadow, you know, palette, so to speak, drugstore, high-end, indie, doesn't matter. I hope me talking through the look helped you guys figure out what the heck I was doing, even though I didn't know I was doing. But then again, it's me. Do I ever know what I'm doing? No.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm your girl, J Ross. I hope I will get the video that I recorded for you guys yesterday, which was supposed to be day 2. I hope I can at least get that up for you guys maybe Saturday. So we will see. Hopefully you guys are seeing this video, and I'm hoping that tomorrow's video will be a full face of new products, because once again, have you not seen my hauls? Is that why you haven't seen my hauls? Because you haven't subscribed yet and you don't follow me on Instagram? Which you should be doing. You should subscribe to this channel and you should follow me on Instagram. I don't think I ask for too much. I'm just asking. I'm just saying for the culture. We are close to big milestones on both Instagram and YouTube, so I'm really excited for that. So please keep sharing with your friends, family, you know, your boos, your baes, your besties, all that. If y'all love makeup, bring them into the channel. If y'all love me, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, my name is J Ross. I am your girl, J Ross. Let me put some own respect on my own sign out. I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys, as always, well, 90% of the time when technology loves me. I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoy your first day of fall, and I will see you guys soon. Peace. Jesus, and my knee. Okay, we're done. We are done.